Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is fried sticky rice cake with a crispy crust and sweet bean paste filling. Tianjin people in China call it 耳朵眼炸糕 and Northerners call it 油炸糕, which carries part of my childhood food memories. Let's get started. Prepare 300 grams of glutinous rice flour, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of yeast, 260 milliliters of warm water. Add yeast, sugar to the glutinous rice flour. Slowly add water, stirring as you go until the water is used up. Knead it into a dough with your hands. Brush some oil evenly on top. Cover with cling film and let it rest for 20 minutes. Next up, make the red bean paste balls. Prepare 250 grams of red bean paste that I bought it online. Put some red bean paste on hand. Roll it into a ball with your hands, just like this. Make 8 balls in total. Place the rested glutinous rice dough on the work surface. Roll out into a long strip shape. Divide it into 8 parts. Take one. Knead into a disc as wrapper. Take one red bean paste ball on it. Hold the dough with your hand and wrap the filling ball inside, while spinning while closing, just like this. A cake is completed. Do the same for the rest doughs. So got 8 cakes. Heat up 2 cups of oil to 150 degrees over low heat. Put 2 cakes in heated oil. Deep fry them until cooked through and golden brown on both sides. About 6 minutes. Transfer to a plate and drain the oil. Deep fry the remaining cakes in batches. The crispy and delicious fried sticky rice cakes are ready. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.